So previously, we have successfully retrieved first one company and then two companies. Now we'll retrieve all four companies and expand upon our script. First things first, you're going to create a new file called getAllCompany.hbx, and you'll paste the provided code into it. So what do you see here? Most of the things already existed in a simplified form. However, you're going to add a couple of new things too. You previously had initialize and getQuote, but now you'll add a response variable and create a terminate function. This is just good coding practice. You'll also convert our output to JSON. Notice how everything is now documented with comments. Here you can see a note to run it before making changes. Let's do an initial run and see what we get. You can see a limited JSON formatted output. Great, you can work with those results. Here, the comment tells us to gather some additional information, including the current share price, the number of shares held, and the commission price for buying and selling shares. Let's open our trader application by navigating back to HB.js. You'll navigate back into the trader application and down to the final screen. Now you can capture the control flow for the additional fields. You'll copy the fields from the control flow and paste them into our file. You can clean up the formatting and field titles. So let's go ahead and run the script now and see what you get. Let's make sure you don't have any errors. Since you don't need anything else from the Application Explorer, let's go ahead and close that session. Now, let's build out the get quote values in the script. Okay, let's see. You got 2 companies coming back with our values, but you want all 4 companies. So this comment says to update the main function towards the bottom of the script to get all 4 companies. An easy solution would be to add more get quote lines to the function. Is that good? Let's run it now and see what you get. You now see all 4. But is this the best way of coding this step? Following the comment further, you can implement a for loop to replace the multiple lines of code. So if you're going to loop, you want to loop 1 through 4. You'll start at 1 because you wanted to enter all the companies. And then you need it to be through 4. Let's do less than 5, which is in fact 1 to 4. Let's clear the current HB.js terminal and run it. A successful run. Output achieved. Okay, now you are getting all the companies, and you have an initialize, a terminate, a JSON formatted output, and a fully functioning script.